Rusia merilis pembaruan informasi operasi khusus di Ukraina Rabu tanggal 20 April tahun 2022. Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia mengunggah video detik-detik sistem rudal pantai dari Laut Hitam meluncurkan 4 rudal presisi tinggi menuju fasilitas infrastruktur militer angkatan bersenjata Ukraina. Serangan rudal presisi tinggi di wilayah Novovoronsovka dan Kislevka, Ukraina, menargetkan 7 peralatan militer lawan. Sebanyak 40 personel militer Ukraina dieliminir Rusia, kata juru bicara Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia, Mayor Jenderal Igor Konasenkov dikutip Tribun Timur dari media resmi Kemenhan hari ini. Operasional taktis dan penerbangan militer Angkatan Udara Rusia menghantam 73 aset militer Ukraina. Di antaranya 4 pos komando, 57 area konsentrasi tenaga dan peralatan militer Ukraina, 7 titik kuat dan 4 depot amunisi. Serangan itu juga menghancurkan 6 tank, 9 kendaraan lapis baja dan 1 baterai howitzer Mesta B, kata Igor dikutip.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. High-precision missile strike destroyed up to 40 Ukrainian military personnel and 7 units of military equipment in Novovoronsovka and Kislevka. Operational, tactical and army aviation of the Russian aerospace forces hit 73 military assets of Ukraine. Among them, 4 command posts, 57 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration, 7 strong points and 4 ammunition depots. The strikes also destroyed 6 tanks, 9 armored vehicles and 1 Msta B howitzer battery. Missile troops and artillery hit 1,053 Ukrainian military infrastructure assets, among them 31 command posts, 6 fuel depots, 910 strong points and areas of enemy manpower concentration, as well as 106 artillery firing positions. Russian air defense means shot down 6 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles in the air over Podvysoka, Chistovodovka, Yakovenkova and Pokrovskaya. Also, 2 Tochka-U tactical missiles were shot down near Donetskaya and Skelevataya. In total, 140 aircraft, 496 unmanned aerial vehicles, 253 anti-aircraft missile systems, 2,388 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 256 multiple launch rocket systems, 1,029 field artillery and mortars, as well as 2,232 units of special military vehicles of the armed forces of Ukraine were destroyed during the operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.